Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Crunchyroll adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log in with your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it to access the 2FA options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication. You may need to provide a phone number or use an authentication app to receive verification codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering the required information, confirm the setup and save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that 2FA is now active on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Crunchyroll account and protect your personal information.